So this is how your curriculum will be placed. And now I am open for Q&A. So ask as many questions as you have, and I'll be able to, let's say, help you here. And maybe I'll be also, along with maybe Sunil ji, we both will be able to help you in terms of any questions.
Thank you, Surya sir. Thank you for a wonderful insight about the new technologies which has been added to SAP ABAP. I'm sure most of the candidates would have benefited out of this. So please ask any question if you have any queries. Please do ask. We are open for Q&A.
Yeah, hi, Raksha this side. Hello.
Yes,
Yes,
Raksha.
Raksha.
Yes.
My, yeah. So basically, I'm an MM consultant. It's been 4 years now. So I just
Okay.
want to understand how this course will help me to become a techno-functional consultant because see, as per the coding, I have to start from the scratch. I don't have any coding background. So how this
Yes,
course will be helpful? Can you elaborate that part
sure.
from the scratch?
So
Like,
yes, yes, definitely. I'll give you a proper insight on that. So, guys, to anyone and everyone, whoever are present here, this is most common question. We don't have coding background, or I may never have coded, or maybe I have coded on Java. Guys, I can just ensure you that I just need you to have a proper internet connectivity and a working laptop, and that's enough for me. I'll walk you through maybe a handholding method where you will start from the very scratch how to navigate. And by the end of, let's say, the 22 topics that I have mentioned in the TOC, uh, just let's say have a word again with me where you can evaluate yourself, like how good coder you have become. And Raksha, I guess you have been working in MM for past 4 years, so it does matter now that okay, what's next, right? And let's say if as a developer also, or if as a MM consultant also, what's your next plan? So if you become techno-functional consultant, it's obviously a good roadmap for your career, right? You don't need any developer alongside you to debug your code or maybe help you with that. So this is something that you will learn quite thoroughly here. You would be able to debug your own codes, understand what sort of problems you have, what sort of maybe uh, PO type you are stuck with. So all those things is something that would be taken care.
so you mean like after this course, I'll be able to write a code in
You
ABAP?
would be able to write a code, that I can assure. Only
Okay.
thing that you want to do is that do your exercises well and attend the classes regularly. So that's the only
Yeah.
ask from my side to anyone
So
and
that will be
everyone here.
included. Mhm.
Yeah, yes. So
To add to this, see what happens when you are a consultant, functional consultant. Most of the time, your work is held up or slowed down only because you are dependent on ABAP consultant. So always when you have both the knowledge, you become a techno-functional consultant. Your work becomes more easier. You are more in demand, and specifically in markets like US market, techno-functional consultants are almost like a mandatory ask when they go for job. So definitely it's going to be a good advantage for you if you have both the knowledge. See, a technical guy will always find it more difficult to learn the functionalities, functional modules. But a functional guy will, if he learns the technical part, he'll be having a lot of advantage.
Uh, just to
Hi.
add to
Hello.
this, let's say I myself, Raksha, am a, let's say, a BAPer first, and then over the years, I got chance to work on finance a lot, and now I call myself as techno-functional finance consultant. So yes, that is something, and it is quite helpful to me as well. So yes, it will be helpful for sure. Yes, Shubham, someone was asking a question.
Hi,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.
So as I searching for the SAP course, which
Yes.
I find out the ABAP course, which is more suitable for me. But as
Mm-hmm.
I also search, there will be the lots of AI courses will be also available for the technical background because I'm also having the CS background. But
Yes.
I want to jump into the SAP only. And while
Okay.
I'm searching for the courses into the SAP, I heard about there will be the some AI also, the Jewel or something AI. I don't remember as of now. But as that effect on our ABAP language and what is that AI? So shall we
Okay.
see on that as well?
Okay, so basically, a good question I will tell you, like why people want to come to SAP and not, let's say, some AI course or Python or maybe Java or maybe data analytics, data engineer courses, right? Now, just imagine it as, let's say, the race which you are running with someone who have tens of years of. So I'll be very honest, my nephew is better coder than me when it comes to Python. How is this possible, Shubham? It's just possible because they have access to YouTube and all the resources in the world, right? Whereas if you
Uh,
see about SAP, that there's
mhm.
no open source. Like you can't learn it randomly and you can't practice it randomly. And it's a
Mhm.
business language, so it won't be given to anyone. Like okay, no one would give you a direct access to their system and ask you to start developing. So
Uh,
that's an added advantage here, where you are in a close community where business decisions are taken with a lot of let's say consultation, and only then you develop. So that's the USP that I feel personally that I have with SAP.
or do other AI will not help to do the task on the daily basis task while we
Yeah, so I tried using my chat GPT, tried using chat GPT a lot of times, and most of the time there were wrong results from it. And the reason is very simple because SAP, as I told you, it's a closed community. SAP did not load their entire libraries or whatever is available in open source also isn't enough for you to solve your business problems. So let's say I'll tell you I need to add something on this particular screen. You never know what the source code it belong to. There are crores of line of code that SAP has written to develop this application. That is not something completely loaded in SAP's chat GPT or any let's say lambda memories. So that's the problem here.
So Suraj, this is Manoj this side.
Yes, Manoj.
Hello. So
Yes,
Suraj,
Manoj.
yeah, I just wanted to know means what is the impact of AI in SAP? Means if, whether they are introducing AI in SAP as well, because
Yes.
I've came to know that there is one Joule for consultant and Joule for developer. Tools are
Yes.
there, right?
Yes.
Recently they have introduced SAP has
Yes.
introduced recently.
Yes.
So means yeah.
Manoj, I use Joule for developers in my day-to-day life. As I told, I guess in the start also, but that
Mhm,
we use AI. But
mhm.
is that replacing or is that replacing my job? No. The reason is very
Okay.
simple. Joule will give me, let's say, five options that you can do something like this. But
Mhm.
eventually, the fields and the data and let's say the sort of logic that I need to play with is something that I have to write, Manoj. It is
Right.
not something I can simply trust on Joule and let's say copy paste. Now, what happened
Mhm,
is that Joule is now not a recent one. I'll tell you, it's there for now the past 3 years. I am using
okay.
it for 2+ years now. Now,
Mhm,
does that make my life easy? Yes, definitely. So basically, some manual
mhm.
task would be there, right? Let's say you
Correct.
need to type 20 fields. Joule will help
Mhm.
you there. Will it
Correct.
help you in logic building or a correct logic building? Probably no.
No, no, no. Correct.
Yeah, so that's it's just to make my life easy. It cannot,
Mhm.
let's say,
Yeah, it is
replace
just
me as a
like a
developer.
It's just like a Google search. So it will give us some options, right?
Exactly. But this Google search is inside SAP's community. So
Community, yeah.
SAP have
Specific for
their own
SAP.
community, right? So
Mhm.
there it is quite
Means
impactful.
everyone
Yes.
is not having access of Joules, right?
Exactly.
Only
Not
correct.
everyone will get access of it. It's a paid service again.
Mm,
Yes.
correct. But means whenever we attend the meeting now, so our
Yes.
management told you have to learn AI. Means I'm a SAP consultant,
Okay,
so they
great,
asked
great.
us. So they asked us to learn AI. So that's what I wanted to know. Means where AI is introducing. Suppose I'm a functional, so where it is useful
I'll tell
and
you.
how.
I'll tell you guys one simple scenario that we worked in that we worked on some years back. Okay, maybe 1.5 year back or something. So business partner. There's something called as business partner, right? Now,
Correct.
business partner changes. We did make sure that okay, we provide a prompt window in business partner screen itself. Let's say on the Fury transaction or let's say the BTP transaction that we have for let's say business partner, and what you can do there is that you can simply say what was the last changes made. So basically, it will give you what was the balance for this business partner, or how are the debits and credits performing for this. So this was a scenario that we have implemented. For this, we had to write, let's say, code. But was that so much useful to my stakeholder? No. The end user use the application much differently than how, let's say, a functional or a developer will do so, right? So Yes, though we developed it, it is not much used.
Hello, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
Suresh.
Ravindra. Okay. Thank you, Manoj.
Sir, what skill are most in demand for ABAP developer in 2026?
As I told you, ABAP on cloud. So basically, we have integrated this course so that you are, let's say, certificate compliant as well as you are relevant to market. So let's say there are so many people in the call right now, Ravindra, right, who are already SAP consultant. So if you
Yes.
talk to them that okay, we need to, if you just ask them that what all things do we need to be ABAP developer, they will talk about RICF, okay, RICF. Plus, they will tell you that okay, you need to know CDS AMDP. Whereas if you see SAP certification course, it talks about cloud. They are two different things. So what we have done as part of this course is that we have integrated the most important thing that you need as a developer, plus you need to write exam. And eventually you can use that particular, let's say, combination of these skills. And maybe uh, these are the most relevant ones that are there in this course right now, Ravindra.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, one more question.
Yes.
Does certification really help in getting ABAP jobs?
Certification is like an added advantage that just tells you that okay, this guy is certified. He has, let's say, gone through SAP standard process of certification. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
So in my career, for the first 8 years, I never had a certification. I got my certificate in last 2 3 years. I started getting it. So it's just an added advantage that you have.
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yes, Bhavika.
Yes, sir. Actually, I have a question, like multiple questions.
Yes.
I'm a beginner in finance. So,
Yes.
should I start with QuickBooks after that SAP? I have completed my graduation in BCom and
Okay.
in 24, and for some reason, some personal reason, I have dropped the year, so I have to do the MBA right now.
Okay.
So should I go for a online or offline? And with that, I have to upgrade my skills.
Okay.
So how should I, like, I'm confused. There's like chaotic situation for me. Like, what to do the next?
So basically, you want to pursue it into finance field, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so for finance, I guess I can just talk about ABAP's life as of now. But with respect to finance, if you want to start with SAP. Definitely, it will help you. I mean, I don't think first learning QuickBooks and then going to PeopleSoft, going to Zoho, and then coming to SAP would help eventually. But also, I guess Sunil ji here would be a right person whom you can
Yeah,
talk and connect
we
with.
will
Yeah.
connect with you tomorrow detailedly with the details of finance module. So we will
Yes.
again call you back.
So
Yes.
you can have the details, like.
Yes, yes. We will connect with
Okay.
you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Likita. Uh,
Hi, sir.
yes, yes, Likita. Tell me.
I have trained SAP ABAP, sir.
Okay.
How can a fresher get their first job in SAP ABAP without a real project or experience, sir?
So basically, if you have already been trained on SAP ABAP.
Yes, sir. Yes. Now,
Or
1 month, 1 month
do you have
completed
certification in SAP ABAP?
certification, just normal completion, sir. Completion certificate I have.
No, then I think we'll have to connect with you individually to understand where have you got trained and what have you got trained and whether you have
Exactly.
SAP Global certificate, because
No,
that is a point which would have probably impacted on you not getting a job. If you are SAP globally certified,
Exactly.
then definitely immediately people are there to hire you.
no, sir.
Also,
I did not. I
Likita,
did not got. Sir,
no,
sir,
no,
sir.
no. Sir is telling you that if you are not globally certified, that would actually impact. As I told you, it would be an impactful factor. So maybe if you are not globally certified, you talk to, let's say, the admin team directly, and maybe they will guide you like what would be the next step. Plus, if you were
Oh,
trained already, there would be some projects that would be given to you, right? If
Yes,
not,
yes.
maybe okay, then those projects are good
No,
enough.
sir. They did not give any projects, sir.
Okay, then maybe I guess you need to talk
No, we'll have
to
to connect
Sanjay.
with you back individually tomorrow. We'll call
Okay.
you back. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thanks, Likita.
Any more questions, please? Kindly fill the attendance form so that it will be easier for us to call you back or communicate with you back with further details.
Guys, are there any further questions?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
if I'm looking for a new job opportunities in MNC company,
Mm-hmm.
so what are the job posts related to SAP?
There are developers, analyst, consultant. So lot of job posts. I mean, you just search about SAP jobs and you will get tons of opportunity for SAP itself, be it any module.
Non-technical background, right?
In fact, you go to Naukri search, just key in
Yes,
word called SAP, and just see how
yes,
many jobs are there. You'll at least find 30,000, 40,000 jobs available in the market.
yes, yes. True.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Any more questions, please? Any questions, please?
No final questions then.
We will
If
wind up this session. Yeah.
yeah,
So thank you, everyone. Thank you, Suraj sir, for
yes. Thank you, sir.
sharing your all your knowledge, and thank you, participants, for coming down and attending this session. I hope this session has been helpful to you all, one and all. Thank you very much. Please refer your friends, and please do connect
Uh,
back with us individually tomorrow so that we can individually guide you. Thank you so much.
Sunil, sorry to interrupt you. One last question.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, Raksha.
Sorry, like you were concluding and I asked. So yeah, the
No,
question is like, what is the like fees for this course and how we are
that
going to
that we'll
start
have to
this? What are the...
individually connect with you, madam. We will talk to
Okay,
you
okay,
one on one.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. Thank
good, good.
you.
Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank
Thanks,
you.
everyone. Bye
Have a
bye.
nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, this course you providing for only ABAP for a technical background?
No, no, we have all modules. This session was specifically for ABAP.
ABAP, okay.
Yeah,
You
but
have
we provide.
another course, right? For a
Yes, yes,
functional background?
yes. We have all modules. You can connect with us. So you can fill up the form. We will connect with
Hmm.
you back again.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.